Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Julie will be sharing 3 easy and cute nail designs that are perfect for summer.
Hey, it's Julie. Now let's jump right on into the video. For the first minimal summer nail design, I'll be starting with a sheer pink polish. This has a little bit of shimmer in it and I applied 1 coat of that and let it dry. Next, I'm going to use a small detail brush and I'm going to pick some fun summer shades and I'm going to create some large daisies on my nail. To do this, I loaded my brush with the polish of the flower that I want, and then I created teardrop shapes with the point of the teardrop pointing into the center of the flower, and I tried to do about 5 petals per flower. I alternated the colors. This is a good opportunity to try out some of your favorite summer shades. You don't have to pick just one color. You can mix and match and have fun. Then I used the coordinating colors to add a large dot to the center of each of the flowers. I just did the flower per nail, but you could add some leaves or stems if you'd like to make this design a little more intricate. Finish off this manicure with a generous layer of your favorite top coat. For the next design, I'll again be starting with a coat of a milky sheer polish and then letting that totally dry. Now I'm going to be doing a gradient. So I'm going to use that sheer color and a sky blue, and I'm applying that to a cosmetic wedge, slightly overlapping those 2 colors. And then I'm going to roll that onto my nail. I'm going to do 2 or 3 passes of this, applying polish to the sponge, rolling it on the nail. And then once I'm happy with how the color looks, I'm going to clean up the skin with a Q-tip and acetone. And now I'm going to add some clouds. This is super easy to do. You just need a large dotting tool and a small dotting tool and white polish, and then just dot the large dotting tool over your nail in random little circles. And you can switch to the smaller dotting tool to fill it out and make the shape a little more blown out like a cloud. You can add as many or as few as you want, but be sure to seal in your clouds with a layer of top coat, and that's it. And for the final design, I'm going to be using 4 more shades of polishes that just scream summer to me, and I'm going to be overlapping them to make a fun wavy design that is totally inspired by a beach towel. You can use any colors you want, and I'm just taking the polishes straight off of the brush that comes in the bottle. I'm not worrying too much about any spillage on my skin or in my cuticle area, because at the end you can use a cleanup brush to sharpen the edge and shape and get it nice and crisp and clean. And I just love this design. It's so easy and it doesn't have to be perfect, and I like the different shapes and waves that are going on. I think the star of this design is just the fun colors, so you can really customize it and make it your own. So there you have 3 minimal nail designs that are easy and perfect to do for the summertime. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click these boxes here to watch more Cute Polish videos, and click the circle to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. And if you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, you can click on the circle here. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye!